Today we are going to see about the regular fuzzy graphs. I am Dr. Saravanan, Manna Tribhuvan Naikar College, Madurai. So before starting into the fuzzy graphs, let me define what is a crisp graph. It is a very familiar topic. So a crisp graph is a pair of elements, namely vertex set and an edge set V. Vertex set should be a non-empty one and the edge set may be empty. It is a subset of the Cartesian product of the vertex set V cross V. Formally it is defined as a graph G is defined as a set of pairs, a non-empty collection of vertex set V and a subset of V cross V. There are so many kinds of crisp graph. In general, we are basically seeing null graph, simple graph, regular graph and complete graph. So null graph, if there is no edges in a graph, then the graph is known as null graph. It consists only of vertices. A simple graph, there is no loop and no parallel edges, then the graph is known as a simple graph. For regular graph and the complete graph, we see the definitions as follows. Before defining the regular graph and complete graph, let me define the adjacency and the degree of a vertex. To a set of vertices, namely x and y, is defined as adjacent vertices if there is a link, that is, there is an edge between those vertices. That is, if there is an edge between these vertex, then the vertex are known as adjacent vertices. So degree of a vertex, the degree of vertex is nothing but the number of edges incident with that vertex. Regular graph, suppose a graph consists of n vertices. For n vertices, we can able to find the degree of that graph. For the degree of, if all the degrees are same, then the graph is known as regular graph. Similarly, we can go for a complete graph. Suppose we are consisting of n vertices, and these n vertices, every vertex is adjacent to the remaining n minus 1 vertices, then the graph is known as a complete graph. So the next part is a fuzzy graph. A fuzzy graph is a pair sigma and mu, where sigma denotes the membership value of the vertex set and mu denotes the edge membership value of that fuzzy graph. In general, it should be mu of x comma y less than or equals to minimum of the vertex membership value of the adjacent vertices, namely x and y. The elements of V are called the nodes in the crisp graph, and the pair of vertices of edges is pair of vertex is known as the edges in the graph G, in the crisp graph G. So for example, consider the vertex set A, B, C, D, E defined in the graph with the membership value S from 0 to 1 and the edge membership value from S cross to S to 0, 1. Where sigma of A, the membership value of A is 0.5 and membership value of B is 0.6 and the membership value of C is 1. Similarly, for D is 0.8 and E is 0.4. The edge membership values are F comma B is 0.2 and for BC is 0.6 and BD is 0.4 and D comma E is 1.1 and A comma E is 0.3. With this, we can define the degree of that every vertex. Here we can define the degree of the vertex as the sum of edge membership values incident with that vertex. So the fuzzy graph is said to be a regular fuzzy graph if every vertex is have same degree. On regular fuzzy graph, Nahurgani and Radha defined the following properties. Let G be a fuzzy graph with G star is an odd cycle. Then G is a regular graph if and only if the edge membership value is a constant one. Suppose if it is of an even cycle, then its edge membership value must be a constant and alternative edges have the same membership values. If it's so, then the fuzzy graph is a regular fuzzy graph. In this presentation, the above results are generalized as let G be a fuzzy graph and G star is a complete fuzzy graph Kn. If mu is constant, that is the edge membership value is constant, then the regular graph, then G is a regular fuzzy graph. The converse of the theorem is not true. With an example, we can prove that one. Similarly, G star is a complete graph Kn where n is an odd vertex, odd number, then G is a regular fuzzy graph if and only if G can be decomposed into edge disjoint Hamiltonian regular fuzzy graphs. So with this, we stop. Thank you.